Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans we made turned into you. I walked out this morning and wrote down the song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought was never end. I've seen lonely times and could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Look down upon me, Jesus. You gotta help me to make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching, and my time is at hand, and I won't make it any other way. I've seen sunny days and I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times and I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. So I'm walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows the cold wind blows like to turn your head around. I wish I was a time on the telephone line, talking about things to come. Sweet dreams of life received in pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you somehow one more time again, yeah. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things